Hey YouTube, it's your girl Brianna and welcome back to my world. Today's video, we're here at Comic-Con Revolution in Ontario, California. This is my first time attending this con. I'm very excited to see what they have to offer, and it's my first time wearing my Punisher cosplay, so we'll see how that's gonna go.
Hey guys, so I walked all the way down there, got my weapon checked out because I got a pink gun from AliExpress for my cosplay, and I had to take it back to the car because they said it's not allowed inside the building. So now we're just walking back from the car. Very disappointed because it looked cute with my outfit, but yeah, it's very hot outside. It's like, how hot is it right now? It's 80 degrees, I'm sweating, sweat is rolling down my back in this vest. I can't wait to go inside, so let's go inside. You guys.
They're gonna take it.
Oh my gosh. They're only $1. Low-key, I should get this. Hi. Good, how are you?
GoPro? That's GoPro?
No, it's a DJI. Yeah, they're really good. Sure.
My name is Marcus D. Newsom. I am the author, creator, and illustrator of Lightning Strike. Lightning Strike is about a kid from Compton that was struck by lightning during a football game and was knocked into a coma. In this comatose state, he sees these hieroglyphs in the form of graffiti actually explaining to him why he was struck by lightning and about his newfound abilities, also about these superpower creatures that's going to rise from the shadows and cause chaos throughout the world and eventually destroy it. Lightning Strike is a 5-book series. So far, I'm on 3. I took a break to do 4 to work on a short film. We're here today to sell comics, boxes by my lovely wife.
Yes, my name is Lonnie Lucas, and my husband, Mr. Lightning Strike, Marcus D. Newsom, has illustrated an activity book to help me get into the mood of writing. Why am I dressed like this, you ask? What character am I? Well, I'm Kanya. I'm a writer, and part of my writing process is walking around in character. And as I said, my husband, to light fire to my 4th point of contact, made an activity book. I also sell, I'm a crafter. I also have treasure boxes. I'm also a TikToker, Kanya Cosplay. I just love being here, and I'm done.
Okay, that was cool. Okay, at this point in time, I am beyond sweating. The air is on in here, but I am dying. There's a lot of vendors, some really cool people, stuff like that. But besides that, I'm hot. Where are my friends? And I'm hungry again. And it's only 12, so we've only really been here for like an hour. And I'm ready to go. This She-Hulk I see all the time at different stores. They're always different prices. This one's only $200. I've seen some for like, I think I've seen it cheaper actually. Probably like 100 something. Ooh, these are the what ifs. I have this one, but I didn't buy it for no $60. I think I bought it for like $3 in Texas. These are really old. I hate that some of them don't have years. Like, give me a year so what if the world knew that Daredevil is blind? Okay. That's not bad for $10 though. What if Doctor Strange were a discipline of Dormammu? Dormammu is so fat. The Hulk. What if the Hulk had become a barbarian? Why he look kinda, never mind. No, it's a DJI. Okay, so.
All right, good luck. Oh, that's by the makers of the drone. What color you got there?
I got a sticker.
Yep.
Okay, I get this one. Thank you. I already walked by this booth and I already know what I kind of want, but not quite.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Can I get
But these charms, well, these charms are so cute. Please.
yeah, so okay.
And I love the love for Pedro Pascal is immaculate. Vote for your favorite Pedro Pascal, they say. It's a lot of pins. If they have a storefront or Instagram, I'll link them down below.
Oh, hi.
How much are your heart pins?
They're all $5.
Okay. Can I get the Bucky one?
The lucky one?
Yeah. You guys take Apple Pay?
Oh, no, sorry.
That's okay. I have card.
Okay. We do have Venmo, PayPal, and card.
Okay.
Are you live streaming right now or just recording?
No, I'm just recording for YouTube.
That's cool. It's like a little battery pack.
Oh no, this is the microphone.
Oh, nice.
Thank you. You guys have like Instagram business card?
Right here.
Oh my god. Look at the business card. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so I didn't film an outro, but I hope you guys like this video. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Bye!